Hello, welcome to technology platform. So today we can see like some small thing, global and variable, local variable differences. Let me open idle. So what are the differences? How to use it? We can see it. Just it's a simple thing. Just for your reference, I'm just writing it here. Now see this. Def my function. Now here you are declaring my string equal to this is test and this is local variable, right? Here you are simply saying that print of my string. Now you are calling the function. It will give you this is test, but if I say print of my string, it won't, because we haven't declared it and we cannot change that value as well, because that's locally we declare it, right? Now I want to declare it in outside the function. My function, here I can say like print of my string. I'm not going to do anything. That's it. Now, if you call this, it will throw an error message because there is no my string. Here, I should write my string. This is test, and then you can call the function. Then, just calling the function itself, it is providing this is text, and print of my string itself, it will print. So this is called like global and local variable differences. So here we are not at all assigning the value, we simply put the variable here, but outside the function we call the same variable, this is test, and then you are using this value. So it's a small difference as a part one, and we can see later class how to change inside and outside value and all. See you in the next class. Bye.